Just got one on the old jig and craw. Another one out here at the pond. Get some more. Here we are. Carter just got another one. See if we can get more. Got a little better one on here. Not too bad. Another decent little bass. Nice little bass here. Off the pond again. Trying out a new bait. I got the old Scroggins jig on there, so see if we can get another one. Out here at the pond still. Happy to use the minnows. See if we can get some more. Just got another one here. Did have another one here. Just got off. This is what I was using. These little flicker shads. Got another one on the old flicker shad. Other hungry little guy. Oh. See if we can get another one before the storm hits.
Look at his tail! Go! Oh my God!
It's on my hand. Some big ones. A whole bunch more. Short little hailstorm.